Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel, your source for the latest AI-generated news on XRP, crypto, and precious metals. Our 100% AI-generated content is based on real-time events and uploaded 1 to 4 times a day. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to our channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out our recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. Xrp New News Update. Ripple has responded to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's (SEC) letter of supplemental authority by refuting the SEC's arguments against its fair notice defense. The SEC cited a Massachusetts District Court opinion in the case against Commonwealth Equity Services LLC to support its motion for summary judgment, claiming that the decision confirms the Howey test does not require a separate fair notice to Ripple. However, Ripple's defense team argued that the Commonwealth case does not provide additional authority for the SEC to reject its fair notice defense. Ripple maintains that it has presented extensive evidence from the SEC's filings and communications with third parties, demonstrating that reasonable market participants considered XRP not to be an investment contract. The team also pointed out that the applicability of the Investment Advisors Act in the Commonwealth case was undisputed, while it remains questionable whether the Securities Act applies to Ripple's case at all. Ripple highlighted the Upton case as a binding precedent that ruled in favor of the defendant's fair notice defense, emphasizing that the two cases are not comparable. Ripple's response to the SEC's letter of supplemental authority challenges the SEC's reliance on the Commonwealth case and argues that it is irrelevant to Ripple's case. Xrp New News Update. It seems that Bitcoin, BTC, has been trading in a narrow range around $30,000 over the weekend after a week of volatility. While the cryptocurrency's market capitalization has continued to rise steadily from $318.5 billion to $586.8 billion, popular crypto analyst, Ali, warns that BTC may witness a slight pullback as bears and bulls continue to battle it out along a critical multi-yearly support resistance zone. According to Ali, Bitcoin faces a significant challenge in surpassing the resistance level between $30,270 and $32,150, where 770K addresses bought 360K BTC. Ali advises caution if this support level breaks, as the next key support is at $27,600 to $28,450. Nonetheless, Ali's analysis reveals that many investors are still willing to buy the cryptocurrency at the current levels, indicating underlying support. Ali also points out that the stock-to-flow ratio multiple, SORP, an indicator with a strong track record of signaling the start of bull markets, hints at explosive growth for Bitcoin. Historically, ASORP 90D below 1 signals a bear market, and above 1 signals a bull market. In 2015, 2019, and 2020, it led to 6,110%, 150%, and 579% gains. ASORP recently moved above 1, suggesting that BTC is ready to go parabolic. Xrp New News Update. The U.S. Congress recently held hearings on the regulation and oversight of stable coins, a type of cryptocurrency designed to maintain a stable value relative to a stable asset, such as the US dollar. The hearings were prompted by growing concerns about the potential risks posed by stable coins to financial stability and consumer protection. During the hearings, Representative Maxine Waters, chair of the committee, emphasized the need for greater regulatory clarity and oversight in the stablecoin industry. She called for greater collaboration between regulators to address the lack of sufficient regulation and oversight for stable coins. Several lawmakers and industry experts testified about the risks and benefits of stable coins and the need for greater regulation and oversight in the industry. Some experts suggested the creation of a new regulatory framework specifically designed for stable coins, while others argued that existing regulatory frameworks could be adapted to address the unique risks posed by stable coins. The hearings come at a time when the cryptocurrency industry is facing increased scrutiny from regulators and policymakers worldwide. The SEC has taken a cautious approach to regulating cryptocurrencies, focusing primarily on enforcement actions against companies that violate securities laws. However, the SEC has also signaled a willingness to work with industry stakeholders to develop new regulatory frameworks that are better suited to the unique risks posed by cryptocurrencies. The U.S. Congress hearings on stablecoin regulation and oversight are an important step towards addressing the potential risks posed by stablecoins and ensuring that they are subject to adequate regulation and oversight. As stablecoins continue to grow in popularity, regulators and policymakers must work together to develop a regulatory framework that protects consumers and ensures the stability of the financial system. Xrp New News Update. 100 Finance, a multi-kind lending protocol, has suffered a security breach on the Ethereum Layer 2 blockchain Optimism, resulting in a loss of $7.4 million. The attacker used a flash loan attack to manipulate the exchange rate between ERC20 tokens and HTOKENS and withdraw more tokens than originally deposited. This attack is similar to recent flash loan attacks against other DeFi protocols, such as Euler Finance and Mango Markets. 100 Finance is preparing a post-mortem report on the incident. This is not the first time 100 has experienced an exploit, as the protocol was previously exposed to an exploit on the Gnosis chain, resulting in a loss of over $6 million. Xrp New News Update. There have been recent reports circulating in various media outlets suggesting that Elon Musk has created a new artificial intelligence company called Xai. However, it is important to note that there are no credible facts to support these claims. The origin of the Xi story is unclear, with many attributing it to a single article from an unknown source. Despite this, the news has been widely reported and shared across social media platforms, leading many to believe that it is true. However, it is important to take any information with a grain of salt, especially when it comes to news that lacks a credible source or supporting evidence. Elon Musk is known for his involvement in various tech companies, including Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink, among others. While it is possible that he may launch a new AI venture in the future, there is no concrete evidence to suggest that Xi is one of his projects. It is important to be cautious of fake news and misinformation in today's fast-paced media landscape. Misinformation can spread quickly and cause harm by influencing people's decisions, beliefs, and actions. In the case of Xi, it is crucial to seek out reliable sources of information and fact-check before accepting any news as true. In conclusion, there are currently no credible facts to support the claim that Elon Musk has created a new artificial intelligence company called Xai. Xrp New News Update. It is being predicted that silver is now starting a new wave in its secular bull market. This prediction is based on historical data that shows that secular bull runs take a few years to complete and that there are usually 3 waves higher, with the third wave being the exponential phase. It is believed that the second leg higher is now officially starting and that a new all-time high will be set somewhere in the period of 2024-2025. The first run of the secular silver bull market was seen in May, June, July of 2020. After this quick run from 15 to 28 United States dollars per oz, silver took a break that officially ended last month. The SLV chart shows the end of the corrective wave and the start of a new bullish wave. There have been more than 13 days above the nearly 3-year falling trendline. That's a secular breakout. The reason why silver is expected to be in a bull run amid a banking crisis and disinflationary monetary policies is because of several reasons. Firstly, the banking crisis resulted in a massive monetary liquidity injection by the Fed, which resulted in precious metals rising. Secondly, gold and silver had no opportunity to adjust to the new reality of higher prices and wages, which makes a delayed reaction so much sense. Thirdly, the USD has been pushing higher for 2 years, and there is no way gold and silver can stage a bull market amid a rising USD. Lastly, 4 structural changes confirm the start of a new secular silver bull market, with physical silver tightness being at the top of the list. The recommended way to play this new silver bull run is by holding physical silver in the form of an ETF like SLV or on a bullion bank. Additionally, it is believed that top-quality silver juniors will be ballistic in the next 24 months. When it is mentioned that they will be ballistic, it means that they will experience significant price movements, similar to crypto pumps of 20% on a day. It won't happen next week, but it will happen at the heights of this second and the next third bullish wave. That's when individual positions should have risen high enough to create an exponential compound effect. Xrp New News Update. It's great to hear about the latest developments on the CARDANO $ADA network. According to the weekly development report released by Input-Output Global, IOG, the organization behind Cardano's research and development, teams focused on improving core technology, wallets and services, smart contracts, Basho scaling, and governance. Some highlights include the launch of the Lace 1.0 Lite wallet platform on the mainnet, updates to the Marlow Playground, and ongoing work on CIP 1694, a Cardano improvement proposal focused on transitioning power and bootstrapping governance. The development report also included an infographic showcasing various Cardano statistics, such as over 124 projects launched on Cardano, 8.11 million native tokens created, 7,738 Plutus scripts, 1225 projects building on Cardano, and 64.6 million transactions processed on the network. It's exciting to see such growth and progress on the Cardano network, and it's especially noteworthy that Cardano is among the few blockchain projects working on such a comprehensive governance framework. Xrp New News Update. The Department of Justice for the Southern District of New York announced on April 14, 2023, that James Jung, the hacker behind the Silk Road Marketplace breach, has been sentenced to a year in prison for wire fraud charges. Jung stole more than 50,000 Bitcoin from the darknet marketplace in September 2012 and utilized various tools to frustrate tracing efforts. He created 9 Silk Road accounts and executed 140 transactions that tricked the DNM's withdrawal system into releasing the BTC to addresses under his control. Interestingly, Jung never used Silk Road for its intended purpose, and the fake accounts were created solely for the purpose of executing the hack. Investigators estimate that it took approximately 200 to 2,000 BTC to obtain a net total of over 50,000 BTC. Federal authorities seized approximately 51,351.8978583 BTC on 3 separate occasions, a stash of precious metals, $661,900 in cash, and Jung's 80% interest in RE&D Investments, a Memphis firm with substantial real estate holdings. The case involved the Internal Revenue Service, the Criminal Investigations Western Cyber Crimes Unit of the Los Angeles Field Office, and the Athens-Clarke County Police Department. Xrp New News Update. Flare Drop 0.02 is now available to claim for all wallets that are holding wrapped FLR, WFLR. Connect your wallet to the hashtag Flare portal or set up autoclaiming to obtain your tokens. Attention XRP holders who received Flare tokens in the airdrop and those who purchased and hold Flare, FLR, after the airdrop. Are you aware of the Flare Drop program that can earn you additional FLR tokens? The Flare Drop program is a series of 36 monthly drops, totaling 24.2 billion FLR tokens, that can be claimed by active members of the Flare community who have wrapped their Flare tokens. To be eligible, your wallet must have held wrapped FLR, WFLR, for the 23 days before each claim day, which constitutes the holdings calculation period. During those 23 days, 3 random blocks are chosen to calculate the average holdings of all wallets. Based on your relative share of all WFLR in circulation, your wallet can claim a certain number of Flare Drop tokens for that month. It's important to note that no Flare-related entity, employee, or founder may use their token allocation to claim a portion of the Flare Drops. The program is designed to benefit active community members like you. If you're interested in participating in the Flare Drop program, be sure to check out the technical documentation for more information on the process. Don't miss out on the opportunity to earn additional FLR tokens through this exciting program. The numbers: a total of 24,246,183,166 FLR will be split into the 36 Flare Drops. Tokens will be claimable at 12 o'clock Coordinated Universal Time every 30 days starting on the 17th of March 2023. 67 days after each distribution, any unclaimed tokens will be burned. This is 90 days from the start of the holdings calculation period. There will be 35 distributions of 676,040,637 FLR and one final distribution of 584,760,871 FLR in month 36. The remaining distribution dates for 2023 are May 16th, June 15th, July 15th, August 14th, September 13th, November 12th, and December 12, 2023. If you received Flare tokens in the airdrop or purchased and hold Flare, FLR, after the airdrop, you may be eligible to claim a portion of the Flare drops. Here's what you need to know to participate. Firstly, you need to wrap your FLR tokens into wrapped FLR, WFLR, before you can participate in the Flare drops. If your FLR tokens are on a centralized exchange, you will need to move them to a different wallet, such as a software wallet like MetaMask or Bifrost Wallet, or a hardware wallet like Ledger, Descent, or SafePal. Guides are available in the Flare technical documentation. Bifrost Wallet offers the easiest user experience, with a simple guide for adding FLR to the wallet. Once you have your FLR in your wallet, you can connect to the Flare portal to wrap your tokens into WFLR. Don't forget to delegate to the Flare Time Series Oracle, FTSO, so that you receive FTSO delegation rewards every 3.5 days. If you have chosen to use Bifrost Wallet, you can wrap your tokens and delegate to the FTSO natively in the app. To claim your Flare drops, you need to connect a wallet that held WFLR during the holdings calculation period to the Flare portal. Bifrost Wallet will offer native functionality for claiming Flare drops, similar to the existing functionality for claiming FTSO delegation rewards. For advanced users, there is also the option to claim by interacting directly with the smart contracts. To maximize compounding, save time, and avoid unnecessary exposure of a cold wallet, you can set up autoclaiming, which will ensure Flare drop tokens are automatically and immediately claimed in return for a fee. Remember, a wallet must have held WFLR for the 23 days before each claim day to be eligible to claim a portion of that month's Flare drop. So, if you want to participate in the upcoming Flare drops, make sure your WFLR holdings are in place. Xrp New News Update. Solana's new smartphone, Saga, is set to begin delivering to pre-orders on April 20th and to everyone else after May 8th, according to the network's developers. The flagship device, priced at $1,000, features a 6.67-inch OLED display and 512 GB of storage, as well as a fingerprint unlock that can be used to verify and sign crypto transactions. In addition to conventional smartphone features, Saga also includes Web3 integrations, such as a built-in mobile wallet adapter, Seed Vault, and Solana DApp Store. Solana's co-founder and CEO, Anatoly Yakovenko, noted that the phone is designed to offer the best mobile app experiences for Web3 users and is as close to a hardware wallet as possible. The phone is certified for sale in over 30 countries, with plans to expand further in the long term. Xrp New News Update. The Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is now on your screen. Each day, the emotions and sentiments from different sources are analyzed and crunched into one simple number. That is the gauge for the Fear and Greed Index. The current greed and index number is 68. Yesterday the index was at 68, indicating greed mode. Last week the index was at 61, also considered to be greed mode, and last month the index was at 51, which is considered a neutral mode for the index. Xrp New News Update. Basketball star Shaquille O'Neal has been served in a class action lawsuit related to the now bankrupt crypto exchange FTX, which he had promoted. O'Neal is among more than a dozen celebrities and sports teams being sued for endorsing FTX. Lawyers had been trying to serve O'Neal for 3 months, resorting to tweeting at him from outside TNT studios and asking a judge to allow him to serve him via Twitter, Instagram, and email. The case was filed by FTX customer Edwin Garrison and is being handled by attorneys Adam Moskowitz and David Boies. Other celebrities targeted in the lawsuit include football star Tom Brady and Seinfeld creator Larry David. The case was filed in the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of Florida. Xrp New News Update. On your screen is today's summary of the technical indicators for XRP. Based on 11 oscillator indicators and 15 moving averages indicators. Out of the 11 oscillator indicators, 1 recommends selling XRP, 9 are neutral, and 1 indicate a buy signal for XRP. Meanwhile, out of the 15 moving averages indicators, 1 recommends selling XRP, 1 is neutral, and 13 recommend buying XRP. Based on these indicators, the overall sentiment towards XRP appears to be bullish, with 2 of the combined number of indicators recommending a sell, 10 of the combined indicators being neutral, and 14 of the combined number of indicators recommending it is time to buy XRP. However, it is important to note that technical indicators are not always reliable and should be used in conjunction with other forms of analysis before making any investment decisions. Xrp New News Update. If you look at the screen of your device now, you will see a Bitfinex chart of the XRP USD trading pair on the TradingView charting platform. The featured chart uses historical daily price cycles to provide expected future price pivot dates for XRP USD. It is important to note that this chart should be used in conjunction with your preferred technical indicators to maximize accuracy. Buy and sell signals from your preferred technical indicators will most likely be triggered on or near the price pivot prediction dates. This chart is updated daily in our videos so that you can watch in real time the accuracy of the prediction method. However, it's important to exercise caution and consider the inherent risks and volatility of cryptocurrency trading before making any investment decisions. Here are the future price pivot prediction dates for the XRP USD trading pair. Be aware, this charting method does not predict price. Instead, it predicts price action. In addition, there is a one-candle window of error on either side of a specific price prediction date on the chart. This means, the actual pivot may come one candle before a specific prediction date or one candle after the prediction date. Now for the dates to look out for: Sunday, April 16, 2023, and Saturday, April 22, 2023. This completes the Xrp New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.